Should we YouTube it? I think I might YouTube it, you know.
I just recalled you a minute ago, pal, saying let's send it.
I'm just gonna send it.
Leave the bolt on, boys.
And lick it.
Yeah, lads. Someone mowing the lawn? Oh no, it's Jesse. I just said that your car sounds like a lawnmower. Yeah, your car sounds like a lawnmower. Jesse! Jesse! Your car sounds like a lawnmower. Oi! Car sounds like a lawnmower.
Say again. You fucking dyke.
Can I please find a bin for all this?
Oh, when did they put a porta potty on the road?
Oh, they are, lad. When you get sick of yours, you can have a shit. What? You've got something for me?
But
It's gonna be a sticker, isn't it? If it's a fucking sticker, I'm not putting it on. It is a fucking sticker.
join the movement. I got it in blue as well.
Who's that?
It's my new group thing that I'm making, like a brand.
Oh, it's yours.
It's mine.
Oh, right, okay.
I was just thinking back window for you.
Oh, so this is.
No?
Is this where you're making it out like I'm doing you a favour, but really this is to promote your brand?
Hey look, I got beat by the Clio and I'm adding your horsepower. What more can you want?
You know I don't like stickers, Jesse. I actually wasn't planning on doing this video today. Well, we was planning on doing, then I was planning on not doing it, but then I'm going to go back to the original plan of planning to do it, which is going to do it. Just because I thought, I might not have that much time and I'll just help Jesse. But it's actually quite easy what we're doing. And it's all in the car. I've not brought my tools, but we don't need that much.
We need a breaker bar with 17mm, don't we?
Well, it depends what it is. But literally, like, this is the people ask me all the time, like, what should I do first in my car, what should I do? I personally think that this is the best mod you can do to a car, because you only have one point of contact with the car, and that's your hands. That's the only point of feel you have with the car, so it makes sense to change the steering wheel. So we're going to change the steering wheel. I've got a boss kit from a Clio breaker a while ago. Of course, do I have any other wheel than a KODE wheel? I actually got a KODE wheel from Fast Show. I got a purple one which I was going to put in the Evo, and then I decided I didn't want to put one in the Evo, so I ended up just swapping it for a different.
Come here.
Come on, help me out, lad. Come on, give us a pull. There we go. So I ended up just getting a cleaner one, and I went with black. Oh, come on, come to help me. There we go. I went with black stitching and a yellow thing. Yes, pretty, isn't it?
Really nice.
So we're going to bang this on today. Now the only thing is, my tracking is out on this car. It's out quite a lot. So when the steering wheel's pointing straight, the wheels are actually a little bit to the right. So that's how it usually about straight there. So that may confuse things. I'm just going to put the wheel on now and make it look like how that one fits, and then get it retracked and stuff. I didn't bring mine. Oh.
Looks like we're going for a trip to Lockwood.
Look like we does, lad. May as well just do mine there then. Fucking knew it. Well done, Renault. Putting 8mm on a battery. Right, we're going to take this off just so we don't blow ourselves to smithereens. Right, battery's off. Let's get this wheel off.
Right, wheel straight.
Well,
it depends what.
Straight, but I know how it drives.
It depends what boss kit you've got, because some of them actually do it for you. I know the one that I bought, the HKB one, you couldn't get it wrong.
It'll only go on the column one way. You need to make sure you've got the steering column straight.
Gotcha.
But my car doesn't aim straight. It's like that.
Well, your wheels look very straight.
The wheels do look straight, really. So that'll be, right, put the steering lock on. I don't know how this is going to work, but we're just going to send it. I'm just going to send it.
I'm just going to stand there. Yeah, bag.
Oh, I think it's a poppy thing. I can see a poppy thing round here. There's two pop things. Like fucking like a flathead screwdriver jobby. Should we YouTube it? I think I might YouTube it, you know.
Do you want to?
Because I don't know, what if I...
Well, I just recalled you a minute ago, pal, saying let's send it.
I'm just gonna send it.
I don't know how this works. There's definitely something to do with this. But I can't see. Oh, they are. Something's happened.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, just get a flat screwdriver, pull it, and something will happen.
Yeah.
Should we put it back on?
Hold on.
What? That's some butlering job, mate.
The fuck is that?
There was an Irish butlering job.
Oh, Lord.
They wanted me to wear big paddies that one.
I'm sure they did.
You might have to do it at the same time, you know. So let's. Right, I'm on there. I'm engaged. I'm engaged there. Should I just? I think I'm gonna pop it. I feel like something should be happening. Oh, there we go.
Oh, straight out.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, it's straight off.
Whoa, it's like a fucking chain round there, lad.
I'll tell you what,
Should we connect a positive and a negative to it and fucking send it and actually set the airbag off? Shall we do it?
do you know what?
We actually do it.
If you've got the
Just on my
cojones.
throat. Like the worst fucking. What do they call it?
Hold on though.
What do they call
Oh,
it?
what did they call? Yeah. Them pricks. See, so far it's gone good, but why have they put a friggin' Torx? And then we're here at 7 o'clock tonight, still trying to get this bolt off.
I don't think they're actually that tight. My there we go.
Oh, sweet.
My GAN ones were the same.
Oh, that's good.
Right, this is when. Leave the bolt on, boys.
And she's coming.
Is it?
No.
Tell you who we need.
Harold. Azza. Oh, hold on, I think I got it. There's movement. I don't know if I just twatted it there. Oh, God. Harold! Oh, shit.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I don't need my volume buttons, do I? Surely. Have I full on snapped him?
He's bust him now, going slam panel with Harold.
Oh no, now we're good.
Trusty old Renault
Good
plastics.
job, I rinsed them, lad. It's nice to be able to go. Wait, what was that? Oh, it's off that, yeah.
Love a quick and simple job. Push and weave. Push and weave.
There's the Audi in the way, but.
Sorry, I was just a bit distracted. Yeah. What you doing driving a German? What you doing?
What?
Oh my goodness.
Is it a ladybird? Oh!
Oh, I was going to get it. Oh, yeah, now let's...
Now more fucking hoovering.
And neither have I, to be fair, a resistor for the airbag.
It, lads.
But we don't need to know anything about the airbag because we've not got one anymore.
It's a race car, mate. Where are these going to go now?
It'll pass MOT because...
They don't fit through here.
Oh, don't. Cut them off, bro. What do you mean?
Good, because, you know, it only lines up one way, so... With the Megane, it didn't do that. So I had to perfectly get it on the correct spline.
Ugh.
So the amount of time to go down the fucking road, and I was like, nope, come back. And then it was otherwise like,
Yeah.
no.
I feel your pain, man.
I've had to just put the airbag wires behind there, not through the actual. Normally I put them through the Boss kit, but they don't fit.
They didn't fit, did they?
So.
Just the first
Oh.
time. Actually, that's really fucking nice.
So it's tasty, lad.
Lick it.
Kiss me. It's okay, no one will see.
Let's have a look at your hooter.
Clean as a whistle, lad.
If anyone's just tuned
That's
in.
plug and play. I'm not fucking eat my own shit. If I'm going to say it's not. I have to just do without a horn for the time.
You don't need a horn, you just go out the window like this. You just go.
The only thing is, you only realise how much you use a horn when you don't have one.
That's really.
Kind of like a girlfriend. You only realise how much you use it when you don't have one.
Yeah. You might even be able to get the back end out with this. Real.
Oh, it's a drift wheel, which means I've got a drift car.
Yeah.
Is that what it works?
Yeah.
Right. Fuck me, I can't get it, man.
Oh, get it in. There we go.
Now this is a weird bit because you always think, steering wheel, it needs to be tight, but then these bolts do not go tight.
Yeah, and then when they do go tight, you can't get them off.
And you always round them, these round so easily.
Are they Allen key? Oh, God.
The bolts that I've got, they're not long enough to go through this plastic thing and the wheel into the hub. So I'm gonna have to just leave. I'll have a bit of a hole there for the time.
Oh, it looks well better with that. Well, at the end of the day, you don't actually need a horn because it don't work, so...
Because a lot of them just clip into there tight, but this one's meant to have that over the top to keep it
secure.
Because they're ones I got off eBay anyway, you know, like not with the kit. So
yeah. Oh. That was a proper close-up, that one.
was it?
Yeah.
Probably exposing my dick erection skin complexion.
Oh, wow.
Because I always go pink
Oh, wow.
instead of brown. That's the joke.
Are you albino?
I don't know, not last time I checked.
No. How'd you check?
Am I
Just ask
albino.com? No, .org, sorry.
Oh, .org. Oh, that's where I went wrong then.
So that's going to be it then. Got a bit of a hole there, but yeah, I'm thinking of an excuse, but I can't think of one.
I feel like you're going to need your seat further back now, but you can't because you've took the fucking rails off.
They do move.
Do they?
Yeah. Well, I've not took the rail. I took the spacers off, so it's really stiff. But they do. I'll show you. I was under the impression that once you take them spacers off these things, you can't move the rails, but you can if you put a lot of fucking force behind it.
Lad, let's do it to the logo when we get home.
Like, so normally, like, you pull that and then it should move. But, see?
Oh, fair enough.
It's
one more
deep dish, isn't it?
Yeah. Looks good though. Yeah. Oh, look, you've still got the demo.
I should keep the demo. Why do they do this?
I don't know. It's like,
to prove it's real leather or something. I think that's what, not leather, but real suede.
It might be.
Or real Alcantara. I think that's what they do. So honestly, like, huge shout out to KODE again. Please go over, like, obviously, like, every single opportunity I get, they always help me. They've been with me since, like, really early on in YouTube, and it's amazing to have them by that side. They've helped me with everything. They've got me all the parts of the Evo, everything that they can possibly help with, they do. So please, obviously, I know a lot of you do go buy stuff from KODE now, but please head over to their Instagram and at least give them a follow if you're not after anything. But they literally sell everything. If you go to many car events, you'll always see their stands. So please go and look at the stuff they've got. They've got loads of accessory things, loads of wheels, like even they've got body kits. So even if they don't sell things on the website, they can get hold of everything for you. So they didn't actually have my Evo wings on the website, but I messed them and they got on in from Japan for like so cheap. So huge. I love you so much, KODE. Please go and show your support, because obviously I don't think the channel would be where it is today without KODE. KODE have massively helped every single bit of the way. So I love you boys, I love you boys. Please go and give them a follow for me. Look what KODE sent me in the box.
Oh, let's get it on, lad.
Yeah, man.
Mate, KODE every time.
Legend.
I'm not even like close with them, but they are.
Just gonna put that in the bin. And
Mate,
I heard
thank
something, I was like, whoa.
God for that. Right, we're gonna put these on because your battery's running low, and then we'll show you what it looks like at the end.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're on, boys. Fucking Grand Prix on your fucking road.
These bolts as well are much better. I can get them a lot tighter, a lot stronger than the other ones.
How's the wheel, bro?
Brum brum.
It looks sick, man.
Does it?
Yeah.
He's got a tracking sorted. He's emphasised how much the tracking's out. It's definitely took that, you know, like the dampening away of the standard wheel. I can really feel the tracking out now.
Oh, can you?
Oh yeah. Each tracking just tell it's not going where it's being pointed. Especially when you're turning it. I feel like one wheel's just way off. I'm turning right, and if I'm going there, the car does we go over there. Definitely feel that. There's a track day like this as well.
I know you did, yeah. No, it does look good.
Yeah, it feels good.
Hey! Hey! Get out the road! Hey! Oh, hey! This guy's driving like an absolute nonce.
Get out the way!
Beep him, bro. Beep him.
Fuck, you can't hear it.